Papaya cultivation. Papaya is one of the important crop which is taken in Indian subcontinent and very specifically in India. Out of total production of the papaya across the world, which is around 140 million tons, around 37 to 38% of the papaya is cultivated in India, very specifically. Originally, the papaya was cultivated into the Central American countries, and then later on it was spread to the North and South America. And in 16th century, very specifically, the American papaya reached to the Indian subcontinent via Philippines, Malacca Strait, and all these areas. Now, in Indian subcontinent and very specifically in India, papaya is taken as a tropical crop. Now, while taking this crop, some of the things needs to be taken into consideration, and the two most important things are, other than the seeds or other than the variety, the two most important things are the type of soil, which is very important, and the second, the climatic conditions. Now first we look at the type of soil which is required. See, for the papaya, the black soil is not suitable. If the black soil is lateritic, if the reddish black is there, which is not the deep black, if the reddish black is there, it means if the iron content in the soil is good, and if the soil is lateritic, or if the soil is chelated, where the organic inorganic complexes are properly developed, where water is easily drained out, it means the well drained soil is very important or most suitable soil. Now if the lateritic soil is not there, then even in the black soil this papaya crop can be taken. Now for the proper growth of the papaya, the temperature should be moderate, wherein the 15 degrees Celsius to around 30 degrees Celsius is the best temperature. But the papaya can sustain up to extreme temperatures like 45 or 10. But below 10, if the frost conditions are there, and because of the frost, if the frost condition affects the leaves of the papaya, then there is a permanent damage. At the same time, water availability. Those areas where the normal rainfall is there, say around 100 to 150 centimeters per annum, these are the best areas, and tropical areas are such. At the same time, the water should not flood into the farm for more than 24 hours, because if the water floods for more than 24 hours, it destroys the trunk of the papaya tree, trunk which is the base of the tree, right? Now here, to increase the size of the trunk, to strengthen the trunk and even the smaller stems, here phosphate content, increasing phosphate content is very important. That strengthens the bark, that strengthens the trunk, as well as different the branches, which later on develops into the fruit bearing branches, right? So these are the most important things. Second thing, as per the climatic conditions are concerned, if the frost conditions are there, some precautionary measures needs to be taken. For that purpose, either to reduce the impact of the fungicides or bacterial growth, here some sprays can be taken. Right. Now, for increasing the production, and first to increase the size of the tree, and then to make it a fruit bearable, some of the chemicals or organic chemicals